Hello, this is Aileen. Let's talk about consensus as it relates to the project stakeholders for the PMP exam. Jennifer is working hard to achieve consensus across her critical project stakeholders. Many of them have competing needs and requirements. Consensus in this context means key stakeholders. Pause the video and answer the question. So the question is not asking for the definition of consensus. It's asking, what do we mean by consensus in this context? When we think about managing projects and we think about our key stakeholders, we do not need to achieve 100% agreement on project decisions. More often than not, these key stakeholders are not approving project decisions. What we're really looking for when we look for consensus from our key stakeholders is we're looking for these key stakeholders to support the project decisions that are being made. Answer D, accept project decisions is not enough. We need our key stakeholders to support project decisions as they are being made, even if these key stakeholders are not in full agreement. If you would like access to many more sample questions and explanations, please go to aileenellis.com and join our email list for invites to free weekly training where I review dozens of sample questions. Thank you.